Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new haul, bargain haul video. Today, or this week actually, I was at Idee and I bought more wool that was already discounted, and so here we have it. You can see, you will see this wool also definitely in some other tutorial videos. I'm gonna definitely use this for something very soon. And so you will see how I actually use them. So you can see here the discounted prices. This is called Fashion Florino, Fashion Florino DK. And it's a really cute, nice colors. It's 50 grams and 115 meters. It's really cute. I love the color. It's pretty thin, the type of wool. It's the color number 1. And it's meant for size 4 crocheting hooks. I would agree that it looks like it's meant for size 4 crocheting hooks. It has like a little bit of a wave pattern. And you can see like this little white thread here that the colorful cozy thread is kind of waved around. I think it looks really, really cute, really pretty. And it's kind of like this green, light pastel green with some bright yellows, some bright dark greens, some mint and some oranges. And I think it looks super nice. It looks great for spring. Just really pretty colors. The composition here is 41% polyamide and 31% virgin wool and 21% polyester and 7% cotton. That's the composition. So I think the thin white thread maybe is the cotton thread. I actually did not expect the high wool content. Let me get my focus back here. There it is. So it's 31% wool, so it's actually quite warm. It looks like it's meant more for spring, so something a little lighter, but it has a lot of wool, so actually it's, it'll keep you nice and warm, that's for sure. And yeah, I just think it's so nice and cute. I actually didn't really look at any of these infos when I bought it. And so you can see it's almost €5 here, $4.89. It was discounted almost €2 from the original price. And so this is my other wool here. This is like really summery. I bought 2 of these, 2 different colors. So let's see the details. $4.99 for this one. It's instead of $8.99, so a nice little discount. It's called Fashion Color Spin, made in Italy. It's 100 grams and it's 200 meter long. And it's 100% cotton and it's meant for size 6 crocheting hooks. That makes a lot of sense for me. You can see how nice this color fading is. It's kind of like color dye, tie-dye. It kind of has this tie-dye look. I think it looks great for summer. It's the color number 6. And yeah, I think this is a really cute yarn for summer. Looks great. It has these orange tones, purple, blue, greens, a little bit of darker tones. It just looks, it looks really cute. It kind of looks like it's not fully dyed. So it kind of looks like when you do tie-dye, as if you didn't fully color all of it, but kind of maybe threw some colored powder on it or something like that. Really pretty. And so here we have the same wool, the color spin, but in different colors. So this is like a really pretty yellow sunflower colors with some lighter pastel yellows and then also some darker, almost mustardy yellows. This is the same, obviously 100% cotton, but this is actually a little longer. So here on the right, it's 200 meters, but this one on the left here, the yellow one, is 230 meters. And so it's the same weight, but it's just a little longer, the one on the left here. So it's a little lighter per meter. Also meant for size 6 crocheting hooks. I'm going to later on compare the threads when I pull them out. But yeah, I love these colors. I think they're really, really pretty. So I'm going to hopefully pull out really easily the beginning of this thread here from the middle. Or at least just a little thread from the middle. Just so we can compare it a little and see why there is a difference in length, even though it has the same weight. Here we go. So here you can see what they look like. They look exactly the same. I don't really see a big difference. Both seem to work well with the size 6 crocheting hook. Where the 30 meters come from that are additional to the one ball, I have no idea. I'm not gonna measure this, actually, because I don't really care that much. But the 30 meters extra sounds like a lot, actually. But, you know, doesn't really matter to me. This is the color number 2, and this I already said I think is the color number 6. Okay, so here now we come into a very cozy department. I love these. I thought these were super funny. Yeah, so they're called Fashion Super Fur Duo. These are also from Rico Design. And they have, let me kind of here back them up so a little bit so you can see all the 3 colors. They kind of just look like fur balls. It's obviously not real fur. This is, I think it's made of cotton mostly. Super fur. I also had just the regular fur, not super fur. It's funny to crochet with. It's 50 grams, 22 meters. It's very short. And you can see here what the thread is made up of. The initial thread or the middle thread here is actually really, really thin. But because you have all this like fur on the side, you actually need quite a big crocheting hook. And you can see here the colors are really cute. The duo is nice because it has these different colors of purple. So it's 95% polyester. Oh no, sorry. 95% acrylic and 5% polyester. I was a little confused with all the different 95s. And it's meant for size 12 crocheting hooks. So a pretty big one. It's 150 grams are recommended for 1 scarf. So with 3 of these balls of yarn, I'm good to go. I have 3 different colors. And yeah, I think this is just super cute. It looks like just a fur ball. And I have this here also in this like kind of gray and dark colors, and this one in this blue petrol color. Yeah, pretty cute, I think. And this is the color number 6. This dark one here is the color number, where is it, 8? And this is the dark gray black one. And here the purple one is the number 5. And so they don't have the price tag on them anymore, but I have it here on my receipt. So let me have a look. €1.29 each. So very cheap. And then here we have 2 more, also very summery balls here. It's very similar to the other ones that we were just looking at. So it's kind of like a wide but thin thread. It's called Fashion Cotton Ribbon Chunky. It's meant for size 8 crocheting hooks. So it's maybe a little thicker than the other ones that we saw earlier. It's 100% cotton, color number 7. Color number 7. And yeah, just really cute, really pretty, nice yellow color. And I don't have a price tag here anymore either, but let me have a look. Yeah, the mustard color, it was €4.89. Yeah. They actually were not a bargain. They were not discounted, but I bought them because they were really cute. And here's my very last one. I already used this a few times, and I love this. It was discounted to €2.44. It's called Creative Bubble. I mean, look how fun this looks. This is amazing. It has this glitter effect, maybe for accessories. It doesn't feel like wool. It kind of feels like a big dishwashing sponge or something like that. And you can make stuff. You can make a sponge out of this. It's meant for size 4 crocheting hooks and for size 2 knitting needles. And just a great fun wool. This is a pretty intense pink color, number 26. And yeah, honestly, I love this kind of wool. It's a very similar type of structure to the fur wool, but obviously much, much thinner and smaller. But yeah, definitely do not use this for scarves or anything that you want to have on your skin a lot of the time, because it's not very comfy on your skin. It's I think it's 100% polyester. yeah, you can make great sponges out of this, or fun like decor items, home decor or accessories. Yeah, so this is a little different for sure. This is 50 grams and 90 meters. I'm sure you will see this one in a tutorial that's coming up very soon. And yeah, so one quick overview. So we had the bubble, then the fur wool, this cotton wool for summer, and this nice yellow tone. This is another yellow one. So this is a little more mustard. That's one's more like sunflower. This one is the tie-dye variation of the yellow one, the fashion spin. And we have two of these. They're kind of a little smaller with, I thought this was going to be cotton, but it's actually a lot of virgin wool. And yeah, so all very different, very cute. And tell me in the comments, how did you like this haul? Which one is your favorite one? Thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please subscribe for free. And you were the first ones to know if there's a new video.